To check if Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL is original or fake, you must not make the mistake of contacting Google to check your IMEI number or checking your serial number. This is because a fake Google Pixel phone is going to put a real serial number or a real IMEI number into their fake phone, and so when you contact Google, they'll tell you the phone is real even though it's not. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to do checks that only a legitimate Google Pixel will pass. And so the first check is we're going to look for if we have the Pixel Studio app and the Screenshots app. These are Google Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL exclusive apps. And so if we open up Pixel Studio, we want to check if we can use the AI features. So first check, you are able to sign into your Google account with the Pixel Studio app. Then we'll tap on create and just make sure the creation actually works and it looks okay. So a fake app would not have any AI. The image generation would be horrible because AI is quite expensive to run and a fake phone is made to be cheap. So let's just do something, mountains in, and I'll do London, mountains in London. So we'll do this image generation here. And you can see it's generated an image. It looks decent. That's a good start. Now let's check the Screenshots app. So this is an AI app as well. Okay, let's first of all, see, does it say Pixel Screenshots? Do we see our screenshots loaded up? If we tap on a screenshot, does it show information about the screenshot or can we process it? If we can, great. If not, this is probably fake. If I open a screenshot which has been processed, so unprocessed as this icon, processed as this icon, if I tap a process screenshot, does it actually give me a summary of what the screenshot is? So it says this is a Google Pixel welcome email. It has the information. If it does, great. If not, it's a fake phone. Remember, a fake phone will not have these advanced AI features. Let's also check some more things. So if I open up Play Store, I want you to first of all update the Google Photos app. And so Google Photos has exclusive features which only exist on Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if we open the Google Photos and we'll select any image, I'm personally going to use an image that I just quite zoomed in, and I'll tap on edit. And then we'll go into the tools. Do we have the zoom enhance feature? Do we have magic eraser feature? Do we have unblur feature? These are features, well, magic eraser is available on more phones, but zoom enhance, unblur is only available on the Pixel phones. Do we have this icon here, which is the magic editor? This is only available on Pixel phones. So if some of this stuff seems to be missing, that means your phone's fake. So let's try the zoom enhance. This is an AI feature as well. So it scans the image, and I tap enhance, and it's meant to make the image look better. Is the image quality actually being improved? Does this function actually work? Because if it does, the phone is real, and you will notice it has enhanced that cell tower. So the cell tower looks far better than it does before. If it doesn't enhance the job, well then it is a fake device. And so we can see saved like this. And if we open up the Photos app and we use the camera lenses, you have multiple lenses on this phone. You have a 1x, 0.6x, and a 5x zoom. Okay, it's a 0.5 even. But when you zoom in, is the quality okay or does it suck? So you can test the zoom. If you're older, you can get someone to check it out for you. So this is a 30 times zoom image. This is a 10 times. This is a 5 times. And you can notice the quality is very good. I'm happy with the quality. If the image just sucks, then this most likely is a fake phone. So these are the checks you have to do. Again, checking the serial number, checking the IMEI would be easy, but unfortunately the fake phones, they do put that real IMEI number and the real serial number into the fake devices. But if you have a fake phone, sometimes if you're older, ask your children to check the phone out because they're typically going to be more involved with tech because of social media and scrolling all day. So yeah, hopefully this video helps.